I hate coffee simply because it is just so darn good. I just can't get enough of it. Did you notice what I did there? Let me try again. I hate my wife because I think she's just so darn fine. I can't lay my eyes off of her. Did you catch it now? What I just did was use what I like to call the hate-love technique. This is a type of humor that you can use in your everyday sentences to help improve your overall speaking and English ability. If I were to tell you, be more humorous, I mean, that's way too vague. It's almost cliche. And you know, let's be honest. I mean, it's tough for many of us because we're not all born with comedian blood running through our veins. What do you call sad coffee? Depresso. Get it? Depressed? Depresso? Right. It's not easy. Now, personally, I think this technique can be used in all languages. Let me try it in Korean. 나는 커피를 너무 싫어. 필살기야. 왜냐하면은 너무 맛있으니까. 마실 때마다 미칠 것 같아. 멈출 수 없어. 한국 국민들 이해되나요? 만약에 이해를 못했으면 이거를 넘어가고. But I'm sure you're starting to understand the humor technique here. So now let's break this hate-love technique down into parts. Step 1. Think of something that you like. For example, soju. Step 2, and this part is very important. Say that you hate it. For example, I hate soju. This here is a form of irony, but they don't know it yet. The beauty of this is that they will now think you will continue to talk about why you dislike soju. But of course, the next step is where you will shock them. Step 3, think of something positive and add to it using the word because. For example, I hate soju because it makes me feel so good. If you do this, this will add shock value and it's gonna be hilarious. And another added benefit is that you're definitely gonna get their undivided attention. Now in this last step, say pretty much anything to confirm that you like it. For example, I hate soju because it just makes me feel so good. I'm totally addicted. If you do this, this is a great way to conclude your humor. It is the final blow to what you're trying to say. Now, if I were to say this sentence with absolutely zero humor, it would sound something like this. I love soju because it makes me feel so good. I'm totally addicted. Now, this is with the hate-love humor technique. I hate soju because it makes me feel so good. I'm totally addicted. I love soju because it makes me feel so good. I'm totally addicted. I hate soju because it makes me feel so good. I'm totally addicted. Here, the only difference is just one word, hate. But this one word totally changes everything. Basically, by stating, I hate what I actually like, you are A, using irony to shock your listener. And because they're shocked, they're giving you their full attention. What's also interesting is that this technique helps you with your intonation because the pause after the word because is extremely important. I mean, you can't be like, I hate soju because it makes me feel so good. The impact is just not the same. And now because of the irony and your intonation, your listener now thinks you are hilarious. And because of that, your English and your communication skills now seem so much better. If you're learning English right now and you want to gain the confidence to speak to a foreigner, or if you just want to simply be funnier towards friends, or if you're studying for a standardized English test such as OPIC and you want to boost your mark, 그러면 make sure to practice this hate, love, humor technique. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna call a buddy of mine and try out this hate, love, humor technique. Let's see how he reacts.
Sammy boy.
Yo, what's up, man?
What's up, dude?
Yo, are you busy right now? Can you talk?
Just for a second, yeah, dude.
Dude, okay, so I have something to tell you, and you have to promise me that you will not say a thing until I get my message across to you, all right?
Okay.
I have something important to tell you, okay? So hear me out.
Okay.
And until I'm done, you don't say a word, all right?
Okay, fair enough.
Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna say this, right? I really hate you, man. Because I just miss you so much. I I need more of you. When are we gonna meet tomorrow, man? What time?
That is really what I'm trying to hear from you, Sam. I'm so happy to hear you say that, Sam. Right on, dude.
영어에 영도 모르면 일로 와. Boom!